Hi guys, and welcome back to Endless Craftabilities with Mom and Max. We are excited to do this next craft with you. As we promised from our last Valentine's video, we are going to do the
Pikachu.
Yep, we're going to do a Pikachu Pokemon craft. So, if you're like very into Pokemon, then you can absolutely join us in doing this craft. And if you know someone who loves Pikachu, you definitely want to join us in doing this craft so you can give it to them for Valentine's Day. Okay? So we're going to tell you what we're going to need after we do our words of affirmation. No, after we do our words of affirmation. So after we do our words of affirmation, we're going to tell you what you need. Okay, so I am kind. I am important. I am brave. I'm sorry. I am smart. I am brave. I am loved. And I am amazing. So, thank you guys again for joining our channel over and over again and saying those words of affirmation with us. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and go back and watch our crazy welcome video. And then do some more crafts with us. Watch some extra videos. Be sure to subscribe though. And make sure you like the video, okay? So, let's jump right in telling you what you need for this craft.
This is for the head. And
oh no, we want to just tell them that we just need this yellow paper.
We just need this yellow paper for the head and the ears. I mean, the ears. We need the paper.
Pink paper.
Pink paper for the eyes and the tongue. We need the white for these eyes. The black for the nose.
And the ears. Oh, he's coming over to you.
Yeah, so we can get closer. See that? It's really tiny.
Tiny dot nose, yes.
Yeah. So that's what we need the black for.
You forgot to tell him about the red. I mean, you wanted to get into the details.
Yep. And you need the red for this.
Cheekies.
Cheekies in the mouth. Let's make sure you can get closer.
Yes.
And with this.
So those are the things you guys are going to need. Just some everyday around the house construction paper. And if you don't have it around the house, it's at the Dollar Tree for just $1. Okay? So let's jump right in. Alright guys, so as promised, here is the Pokemon craft. So Max already has his cut out, and so I will be cutting mine out with you all. So I am not using the whole sheets that you saw me just pull out. We're going to use some scraps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut like a half face. For my Pokemon. Okay. There is a little crooked, but I think it's okay. So we're going to do...
It still looks good.
Thank you, Max. Okay. So, I'm going to put that to the side. And now we're going to make our famous Pokemon ears. So I'm going to fold this in half because I want them to be the exact same size. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. So, I'm going to make a long triangle. And another long side of our triangle. And voila. This Pokemon, he's a lot bigger. Maybe this is a daddy Pokemon, I guess. So we've got it like this. The thing that you're going to be able to do to get the top tips of his ears is go from the top of the ear and just trace it. Trace it with your scissors. That way you know that it's going to fit the right way. And just like so. So now, when I place it up here, I'm going to turn it over. When I place it up here, come on, it's going to lay flat. So now we get to paste. Need space. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want to use this as a scrap? All right, so I think today I've got I often call Max my handsome. I call my husband and Max my handsome. And so in our house, I often have to say...
But husband called him big handsome.
Yeah, I was going to say that. And so because I say handsome so much, I have to start saying big handsome and little handsome. So, oh no, which part did you start gluing on?
Oh, this.
Oh, let me see which ones. Oh, they're cheekies?
Yep.
No, glue the ears on first.
Oh, okay. Do you mean the black things?
Yes, and the yellow things. So, I had to start saying little handsome and big handsome so that everyone knew who I was talking to. But what I was going to say is I think I've got my really sweet little handsome with me today. I can tell by the way that he's been remembering all of his manners. So I love it. But just like anybody else, most days we have our good days and we have our bad days. I'm just glad I'm getting the sweet Max because that's the one that melts his mommy's heart. So once Max gets his ears glued on, we're going to go ahead and start cutting out our hearts for